Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the stash in Animal Crossing. Your home storage is a fantastic feature, providing a massive amount of space for all your collected items. You can easily access this stash from any storage unit within your house, whether it's a wardrobe, a dresser, or even a refrigerator. The game automatically categorizes your items, making it simple to find exactly what you're looking for without endless searching. As you progress in Animal Crossing, you'll quickly accumulate many items. Initially, your home storage can hold 1,600 items, which is a good start. However, you can significantly expand this by upgrading your house through Tom Nook. Each home expansion increases your storage capacity, eventually reaching a generous maximum of 5,000 items. This ensures you have plenty of room for all your furniture, clothing, and crafting materials. Efficient stash management makes your Animal Crossing life much easier. Always utilize the search function within your storage menu to pinpoint specific items without scrolling. You can also sort your items by various criteria, such as type, value, or even the date you acquired them, to keep things tidy. For seasonal decorations or event-specific items, consider designating a particular section of your storage to keep them organized and easily accessible when needed. For advanced stash strategies, remember to keep all your crafting materials in your home storage. This ensures they are readily available whenever you need to craft new tools or furniture. Your pockets are best reserved for immediate inventory and items you're actively using, not for long-term storage. Also, for those looking for great deals and other recommendations, be sure to check the description below this video. And speaking of quality, remember that life's too short for cheap socks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.